In this video, I am telling you how to fix your brittle aging nails. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the budget dermatologist. I help make skincare simple and I give you actionable tips that you can do right now to fix your skin or your nails, as is the case in this video. Make sure you all are subscribed to my channel, and you also can find me on Instagram and TikTok at the Budget Dermatologist, so come say hi. I'm about to answer the big question about biotin in your nails. I'm showing you my top recommended nail products and even more. It's all being addressed in this video, and all of the products that I mentioned will be linked in the description. As a board certified dermatologist, I see patients every day in my exam room asking me about their brittle, cracked nails. It's such a common problem. So if you are dealing with this, you are not alone. As you are aging, as all of us are aging, not only is our skin breaking down, but our hair and nails begin to break down too. So here are some of the effects of aging that you may have noticed on your nails. Number one, your nails grow more slowly as you age. Number two, the nail plate can start becoming more thin due to decreased cell turnover and changes in your cell matrix. Number three, ridging of your nail plate. You may notice that your nails all of a sudden are just not as smooth and shiny anymore. They actually feel more rough and bumpy. This is likely due to a loss of collagen and an aging in your nail matrix. Number four, your nails become more dry and dehydrated with age. 5, they are more brittle and prone to cracking or breaking. 6, they can become more yellow or discolored. And 7, they are at an increased risk of getting infections, nail infections like fungal infections of the nails. These are normal, expected changes of your nails with time. Of course, there can be other diseases or pathologies of the nails, and that is not the focus of this video. If you have any concerns with your nails, especially if you have dark spots or anything that doesn't look normal, please see a medical professional, ideally a dermatologist, for evaluation. In this video, I am just focusing on how to help the normal aging process of your nails that is making them more brittle and prone to cracking and breaking. Biotin. So let's dive in to biotin first. This is the number one question I get asked every day by my patients in my exam room when they are asking me to help them fix their brittle nails. I get asked, should I be taking biotin for my nails and how much should I take? My answer is to pause and proceed with caution before you stock up on biotin. So if you do a deep dive into the evidence behind biotin for nails and if it has any true benefit, you will find very inconclusive results. We do not have decisive high-quality research studies proving the benefit of biotin for improving your nails. And actually, many dermatologists don't even recommend biotin to their patients at all. Now, what you will find in the literature is that you can actually be harmed from taking biotin, especially at really high doses like you may find in some nail supplements. It has been reported in multiple studies that biotin supplementation can affect your laboratory results from blood tests. For example, it can affect the reporting of your thyroid levels and your cardiac troponin levels, which is a test that helps determine if you are having a heart attack. So if you are taking biotin, you have to let your healthcare professionals know so that they can take this into consideration when making decisions about your health. So the moral of the story here is that biotin that you take by mouth in supplement form is not exactly benign. It does come with some risk, and we are not even sure that it is actually helping. So my opinion is that you should proceed with caution here and ask your healthcare provider before starting this supplement. Now let's talk about something that actually does help the nails. My number one recommendation is to use a topical product that can strengthen, nourish, and protect your nails. A great topical product can prevent nail trauma such as breaking or cracking, and it is the single most effective thing that you can do for brittle nails. My advice is that you should look for a nail product that has a nail hardener in the ingredients list and nourishing ingredients that will strengthen the nail and potentially help it grow more quickly. So here's a roundup of some of my tried and true products. All of these will be linked below. The Dermalect brand has an entire line of nail care products that have a great blend of ingredients at reasonable prices. So here are my top favorites, starting with this base coat. This is called Launch Pad. This is a nail hardener. This is going to go directly on your nail plate first. This has nitrocellulose is one of the nail hardener ingredients in this, and it also contains those other ingredients like I mentioned, biotin, peptides, and keratin. So this coat goes directly on the nail and it will harden the nail and prevent it from cracking and breaking as easily, all the while nourishing the nail with those added ingredients. Next, you can apply a product like this one, which is a ridge filler. So this is going to conceal that rough texture of the nail and also harden and strengthen it. I love this one because it comes in such a natural finish. This is a really light pink, almost pearlescent finish, and it does a great job, again, concealing the ridgy appearance of nails. This also contains a nail hardener, so again, it's going to strengthen the nail. It contains peptides, biotin, and vitamin E, so it's going to condition as well as strengthen. Now, Dermalect has another shade of the ridge filler. So this is the Makeover and this is the Camo Nude. So a little more of a neutral option here. I will link both of these below. And last, you can apply the anti-aging top coat. It's just a clear polish, but it contains, again, the peptides, biotin, vitamin E, and the nail strengtheners and conditioners that I've mentioned before. So I'm linking this one below too. You can also buy these in a bundle, so I will link those options too. Now that is just a treatment for the actual nail plate. I also recommend a cuticle care product because the cuticles can become dry and fragile with age. So you want to keep nourishing and hydrating the cuticles as well. So I love this formula, the Revital oil from Dermalect. This has several different oils in it, jojoba oil, citrus oils. It is really nourishing to the cuticle and will keep it from drying out. So I'm going to link this one below. There is another product that is targeted for the cuticles and the nail plate as well by Dermalect. You can see this is a little more of a balm-like cream. You can apply this up to twice a day around the cuticles and actually the entire nail plate. This has vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, peptides, hyaluronic acid, shea oil, shea butter, and other oils in it. So it's really nice and hydrating and protective for the entire nail area. I'm going to link this one below too. And again, you can find bundles of their best nail products. So I'm going to link the bundles below too. Now let's talk about a nail conditioner. I want to show you another product that many dermatologists recommend and I've had great success with. It's a nail conditioner called Dermanail. You can get this one on Amazon. It is a nail conditioner, not a lacquer to harden the nail like the ones I just showed you. The idea with this product, alternatively, is that you will apply this to the base of the nail where the cuticle is so that it is absorbed into this cuticle and matrix area where the nail grows from. This product, Dermanail, is very simple. It's a clean formulation. It has actually mandelic acid in it, which binds the corneocyte cells in the nail to make your nail plate harder. So you can apply the Dermanail conditioner down at the base of the nail to promote new growth. Then you can apply the nail lacquers to harden the nail plate and prevent that cracking and breaking. And then you can apply oils, your cuticle care product to keep the hydration and nourishing in that area of the nail. All of these are going to be linked below. Now, if you are looking for something even more affordable than some of the products I showed you, I want to recommend that you search for one that has an ingredient like a nail hardener in it, such as nitrocellulose, which is what some of these have. You can find some alternatives on Amazon, but I did notice when I was looking for other options that many of these can contain unnecessary ingredients like dyes and other things that can potentially traumatize the nail. So be sure to read the entire label, and bonus points if you can find ones that are also fortified with vitamins, peptides, biotin, nail hydrators like these ones by Dermalect have. So that's my shopping guide for you when searching for nail strengthening products. Now, what about your diet? Yes, a diet rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, collagen, all of that can help strengthen your nails from the inside out, just like our hair and skin. And of course, I'm always going to say that diet optimization is always the answer, but sometimes it's just part of the equation. So I really love to add in these topical remedies that I showed you in this video as well to boost your benefits to the nails. And again, I want to reiterate to be cautious with biotin, given our lack of evidence and the known disruption with blood work lab results when taking high dosages of that supplement. I hope you found that educational and helpful. Come find me on Instagram. I do a weekly Q&A there and share other educational content there. So come say hi, get your questions answered, and make sure you guys are subscribed before you click out of here. I'll see you soon. Bye.